Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to another video of YouTube channel. So in this video we're going to create this awesome animation using Pure HTML and CSS. This is circle becoming square. I don't know what you call this, so I'm going to create this animation with Pure HTML and CSS. I'm going to leave the link at the description so you can get I'm going to leave the link of the source code at the description so you can get the source code from there, and you can also add this into your YouTube channel's videos at the end. So we are going to create this from scratch using the code pen. So enough of me talking, let's get started. So if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you get the notification of my new video when I upload them. So let's get started. So I'm going to create this project using codepen.io. So if you don't know how to create an account in codepen.io, so please leave the comment. I will create a specific video for this topic. So let's get started. So let me first type a title. So this one will be circle being square. Yeah. All right, so that's it. So now let's type a body. First let's create, so this body, and let's close body element, and here we are going to create div. And let's close the div, and let's create a class inside the first div. So this one will be circle, and here I'm going to create some more divs. So first div and ending div. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this and paste it 4 more times. Alright, so that's it for the first section, and after this circle ending tag, I'm going to create another div with the class name big, and let's close the div. And here what I'm going to do, I'm going to create more divs. So 5 more divs we're going to create here. Four and 5. So that's it for big one, and let's create another div at the end of the big tag div, and so div class so the class name will try, and let's close this div. Alright, so after that let's copy this div and paste it here, and for this one we need just 4 divs, and let's change the name. So the name will be square SQU, and then we need some more divs, and here we need just 3 of them. Let's write that text, so end. This is the ending elements, so it's E N and D. Alright, so now let's save this. So this is the everything that we need for our HTML part. So now we are going to jump over to the CSS part. So as you can see the live result here, and now let's minimize this section and let's jump over to the CSS part. So for this, first we need alright, so here we need set, the jar set will be UTF. Alright, so now let's type comma body, and so these are the by default. We are going to remove default margin and padding. Alright, so after that we are going to add HTML body. So we are going to target just HTML and body. So position will be relative, and let's type overflow heading. Alright, so this is the HTML and body element is done. Now we are going to jump over to the circle animation. For this, let's write a comment here. So circle animation starts here. Alright, so let's save this, and the page will be refreshed automatically, and we are going to jump over to the circle section. Alright, so this is the time to work on a circle section. Alright, so let's target the circle class, and here let's add a position. Position will be absolute. Target the circle, div, and here the position is going to be absolute. So position absolute, and top half. I'm going to copy this. It is not 50, it's 10. Let's copy this for left as well. Left. Alright, so now let's add the width 20 pixel and height 20 pixel. Background and the border radius. Border radius will be 50%. So as you can see, the live changes that you can see here. And now what we are going to do, we are going to create circle div with colon mid. And 0% the transforms skull will be 0. So I'm going to copy this 4 more times. Let's copy this. So the first one is 0%, the second one will be 20%, 50%, 90, and 100. So at 20%, the skull will be 3, and 50% the skull is becoming 1. At 90%, skull is becoming 5, and the last one is 0. Alright, so that's it. You can see the differences as you can see right here on the screen. So now I'm going to do the keyframe for move 1. Frames VE_01. So for this at 0%, the translate 0 and skull 0. And now let's copy this and 5 times and paste it 5 times. So 1, so the second one is 20, third one is 40, 30, 40, and 60, 80, and 100. Alright, so here the translate is going to be -100 pixel, comma -100 pixel, and the skull is going to be 1. So for 40% is the same. I'm going to copy this from here, copy this and paste it here, and the skull should be 1. So the last one is 0, the translate, and the skull is 1. So as you can see, the difference is right here. So let me enter, and you can see right here. This is the animation, as you can see. Alright, so for the move 3, 4, for the move 3 and 4, we are going to copy and paste it. Same thing. Right, so the first one is 01, second one is 02, 02, 03, and 04. Right, so let me check whether something is missing or not. Alright, for the first one, I think I made some mistake here. So let me remove this minus from here. This minus as well. And remove this minus from here. Let's remove this minus. As you can see, the difference is right here. Now let's check the differences. As you can see, everything is good to go. Now let's jump over to the animation, the big class. Now it's time to work on the big class. So now let's enter, and now let's target the big class and the position absolute, top 0, left 0, and width will be 100, and alright, so that's it. Now we'll target the big div. So the big div position, to the top, Right, so now we are at the end of let's add end div and net transform translate x minus 300 pixel. I'm going to copy this from here and let's paste it here, and instead of 1 I'm going to add 2, no excuse me 3, and instead of minus 300 I'm going to add 300 pixel. Right, so after that I'm going to use the key frames and end. So let's at 100% the opacity will be 1 pixel. Right, so now let's check how it looks. So as you can see the beautiful animation, and that's it. As you can see the text is appear on the square. So that's it guys, hope you enjoy, and if you think you learned something from this video, please leave the comment and hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe this. It will help me to create more useful content for you.